The United States Air Force. For decades, these words have commanded respect, even fear, on the world stage. But why? What is it about this particular branch of the U.S. military that makes it such a potent force, one that both Russia and China watch with a wary eye? The answer lies in a combination of factors, a potent blend of advanced technology, rigorous training, and a global reach that is unmatched by any other air force in the world. From the skies above Europe during the Cold War to the deserts of the Middle East in more recent conflicts, the USAF has consistently demonstrated its ability to project power and influence events far beyond America's borders. This enduring capability stems from a sustained commitment to innovation and a culture that prizes air superiority above all else. But the world is changing, new challenges are emerging, and new rivals are rising. China, in particular, is rapidly modernizing its military, including its air force. Russia, despite recent setbacks, remains a formidable power with a long history of military prowess. In this evolving geopolitical landscape, the USAF faces a critical question. Can it maintain its edge in the face of these growing challenges? The U.S. Air Force has long been at the forefront of military aviation technology. From the early days of jet propulsion to the development of stealth technology, the USAF has consistently pushed the boundaries of what is possible in the air. This technological edge is a key factor in its ability to project power and deter adversaries. One of the most visible manifestations of this technological superiority is the B-21 Raider, America's newest stealth bomber. The Raider, with its sleek, bat-like design, is designed to penetrate even the most sophisticated air defenses undetected, delivering its payload with pinpoint accuracy. But the USAF's technological prowess extends far beyond any single aircraft. The F-35 Lightning II, a fifth-generation fighter jet, combines stealth capabilities with advanced sensors and networking capabilities, making it a formidable opponent in any dogfight. And then there are the support systems, the satellites, the drones, and the cyber warfare capabilities that all work together to give the USAF an unparalleled advantage in the battle space. While the U.S. Air Force enjoys a significant technological advantage, both China and Russia are working hard to close the gap. China, in particular, has been investing heavily in its military modernization program, and its Air Force has made significant strides in recent years. New aircraft like the J-20 stealth fighter are entering service, and China is developing its own long-range bombers and advanced drones. Russia, too, remains a force to be reckoned with in the air. Though its Air Force has faced challenges in recent years, due in part to economic sanctions and the ongoing war in Ukraine, Russia still possesses a large and capable fleet of aircraft, including the Sukhoi Su-57, its answer to the F-35. However, both countries face significant hurdles in catching up to the USAF. Building advanced aircraft is one thing. Developing the sophisticated tactics, training, and logistics required to operate them effectively is quite another. And while China and Russia are making progress, the USAF is not standing still. The U.S. continues to invest heavily in research and development, ensuring that its technological edge remains intact. The tension between the U.S. and its rivals is not confined to theoretical comparisons of military hardware. It often spills over into real-world incidents and military exercises that serve as a stark reminder of the stakes involved. One such incident occurred in July 2024 when U.S. and Canadian jets were scrambled to intercept Russian and Chinese bombers approaching Alaskan airspace. Though these intercepts occur relatively frequently, they underscore the constant vigilance required to maintain peace in a world on edge. The message is clear: the U.S. is watching, and it is ready to respond to any perceived threat. Beyond these individual incidents, large-scale military exercises provide a glimpse into how these air forces stack up against each other. China's growing assertiveness in the South China Sea, for example, has led to a series of tense encounters with U.S. forces operating in the region. The dominance of the U.S. Air Force casts a long shadow over global affairs. For potential adversaries like China and Russia, the knowledge that the U.S. possesses such a capable and technologically advanced Air Force serves as a powerful deterrent. It limits their options, shapes their military planning, and forces them to invest heavily in countermeasures, all while operating under the assumption that the skies are not entirely their own. This psychological impact of air superiority is perhaps the most significant and enduring legacy of the USAF's dominance. While the hardware and technology are undoubtedly impressive, it is the understanding that the US can swiftly and decisively control the skies that truly shapes the behavior of nations. As the world enters an era of renewed great power competition, the importance of air power is only likely to grow. And while the challenges facing the US Air Force are significant, its history of innovation, its unwavering commitment to training, and its global reach suggest that it is well positioned to maintain its edge in the skies for decades to come. But this dominance comes with a responsibility to wield this power judiciously and in the service of peace and stability. The future of global security may very well depend on it.